Achieving financial freedom is no easy feat. If it were, everyone would be rich. To be financially free, you need to master certain skills. In this video, we'll highlight some of these crucial skills that you must acquire to attain financial freedom. Skill number 1, making good investments. To be financially free, mastering the art of investment is essential. Investment is an art, and only smart investments can grow your money passively and consistently, even while you focus your time and energy on other endeavors. Investment is a skill you must master if you aspire to achieve financial success. For instance, there's an investment strategy known as dollar cost averaging, DCA. This principle protects you from losing your funds. Let's say you come across an investment opportunity and you have $5,000 to invest. With DCA, you would invest perhaps $2,000 initially and observe the return on investment. After careful analysis, you can then invest more funds gradually over time. This simple yet challenging principle has saved many investors from bankruptcy. Those who claim to have lost their life savings often did not follow the DCA principle. Good investors do not invest in liabilities, they invest in assets. An asset generates income, putting money in your pocket. A liability, on the other hand, takes money out of your pocket. For example, a house is generally a liability because it incurs expenses like mortgage, repairs, and maintenance unless it's rented out or sold later for a profit. A plot of land, however, is an asset as it appreciates over time with minimal maintenance costs. Similarly, a car is a liability unless used for generating income, like in transportation services. Cash kept in the bank is also a liability because it loses value over time due to inflation. This is why the wealthy quickly invest their cash. These are basic investment principles you need to understand. If you want to be financially free, mastering the art of investment is crucial. Skill number 2, motivation. Motivation is a vital component of the success equation. You need to understand what drives you. For some, it's the freedom to travel and spend time with family. For others, it's the desire to lift their families out of poverty or make a name for themselves. Your motivation may differ from others, but you must identify your own. The journey to wealth is often filled with disappointments, and you need to be able to motivate yourself to overcome numerous obstacles. If you study the lives of the greatest achievers, you'll find that they had something that motivated them to keep pushing forward, even against the odds. Finding your inner motivation is crucial for your success. Skill number 3, self-improvement. To achieve financial freedom, you must constantly invest in yourself. If you remain the same person year after year, money will not come your way. Learn how money works by reading great books like The Richest Man in Babylon, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and The Millionaire Next Door. Watch educational videos, such as those on this channel, to continually improve your financial knowledge. Learn new skills. We live in an era where you can learn almost anything online, often for free. Skills like coding, software development, 3D animation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, cloud computing, product management, data analysis, and cryptography can do more than just put food on your table. Take advantage of the internet to upgrade your skills, and money will follow. Set goals, find a mentor, start a journal, practice gratitude, break bad habits, and improve your communication skills. These activities prepare you for the success you seek. Skill number 4, association. Who you know significantly impacts your success. It's often said that you are the average of the 5 people you interact with most. Surround yourself with wealthy, successful individuals and regularly interact with them. Seek their advice and learn from their experiences. The truth is, your network plays a crucial role in your achievement. What other skills do you think are vital for creating wealth and success? Please share your thoughts in the comments section of this video.